What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In the last episode, we discussed that gold is most likely going to correct, especially around NFP, and we saw a very crazy fall, right? I did mention a trade targeting 2275 odd levels, and that is pretty much what we've got, right? However, what can we expect in this present week? Let's quickly find that out. So as usual, we will begin our analysis with the dollar index. This helps us get a better edge, a better understanding of where we are seeing Euro USD, GBP USD, and to some extent even gold for that matter, right? So looking at this, we have closed bullish on in the month of April, and right now, starting 2-3 days, we have started to see some retracement in the month of May. All right. So what I am expecting is most likely this is just a pullback on the downside, and we will continue higher eventually. So positionally I am looking at bullish DXY. Let's drop on a weekly time frame. Even weekly is making higher highs, higher lows, very clean structure. And right here we have some fair value gap left, so I think maybe worst case we might trigger this and then continue higher. But overall I am seeing bullish DXY after some pullback. Okay, now we have Euro USD. So let's check a monthly time frame. Right here we have bearish order flow, we have made a lower high, lower low. After this we are still inside the range of this bearish price action, right? So now right here what has happened is, in the month of April we have closed bearish and broken structure on the downside. So right here now if I drop on a weekly time frame, this would be much more clearer. Right here we have a very clean break on the downside, and if I simply use the fibs, so 50% comes to somewhat about this level. So what I am expecting is very simple: a short, positional short down again to target this low or lower than this would be the perfect opportunity, somewhat around in this box right here. And let's refine this further on a daily time frame. So right here I see a daily order block. We have a liquidity sweep right here, and right before that we have created this order block. So I would be much more interested to short from here. So this is pretty much what I'm anticipating. This week most likely could be bullish. We could see continuation on Euro USD, but eventually we are preparing for a very significant short that I'm seeing. That's pretty much it on Euro. Finally, let's take a look on GBP USD. So on a monthly time frame, very similar price action. Again, we have broken this structure right here, and we are inside this lower high, lower low formation. Let's drop on a weekly and see what's happening. So on a weekly we have a very clean, very significant break on the upside, post which we've again broken below. So this right here is the best opportunity to go short, and your easiest target could be this, which I think is close to 3% of move, even if you enter from this specific level, right? So I am very much bearish on all these foreign pairs. The only thing is that I'll be waiting for a tap into this box, or maybe even higher than that. Now finally we have gold. Let's go on a monthly time frame and see what's happening. So we saw a very bullish March candle. After that April was bullish. We've managed to close slightly bearish, right, pushed lower, and right now we have just opened. So again, most likely this is the manipulation round, post which the candle most likely will flip down, and my first target will be this low right here, 2228 odd levels. So that is what I'm looking at, and eventually gold is most likely going to come back into 2065 or 1980 odd levels. So my eyes are on this. We are positionally short on gold exactly when right here on Monday. This I posted a video on Sunday, and since then we have seen a drop of more than 4 or 5% on gold, right? And I'm still bearish on gold. Let's go on a 4-hour time frame and see if we have something more significant to look at. So right here we did close below, and we've failed to close below right here. So a very simple logic that I think can play out is we will try to take liquidity from this high and the previous high as well, and then maybe turn bearish and continue to drop below. So I am positionally short on gold as well. So on Twitter I did share this zone as well. I had given a short right here and one right here. So I think most likely we'll tap into this. So this is pretty much what I'm looking at. And yes, that would be it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.